Hello all, I am here today with another arbitrage video. This time showing you Fantom or FTM, the layer 2 sidechain. All these links will be in the video description, and I'm trying to make it as easy as I can for you to follow along. First of all, what you need to do is set up your Metamask to work on the Fantom Opera network, and like I said, links will be in the video description. Super simple stuff though, basically this stuff right here. And my source code will also be in the video description. That's what you could probably say matters most. CREAM Finance is where we are getting our Flash loans from, and you can see all the networks CREAM supports. Fantom is one of many, and I didn't know till recently CREAM offered all of these networks, which makes my life easier. So, but yeah, CREAM is our Flash loan supplier. ZooTrade Dex is where we're going to be trading our coin pair against ZooCoin with Flash loans from CREAM, and that's where the profit that we're going to generate, that you'll see in the end, that it comes from the arbitraging by using Flash loans to trade against ZooTrade. So, so to start with, we need a new workspace inside remix.ethereum.org. Once again, links in the video description. So this is new workspace. However, I'm going to make a new file. Let's name this FTM FlashLoan.sol. Go to my source code. Copy this, and paste this in to Remix. Now, this is very important. My Solidity Compiler version is 0.5.16, and mine may be set automatically, which is, yours will likely not be. So you can scroll to this list, 0.516. And everything should compile with no issues, no problems. Next step is we're going to drop down to the lower tab, and mine's already connected. Yours will not be. Yours will be set like this. You're going to have to go Injected Web 3, make sure Metamask and everything connects up. Mine's showing I have 175 FTM in here, and that's right and accurate. But Metamask is hooked on the Fantom Opera network to Remix, so that everyone understands that, clear as day. Now, what you got to do is we got to deploy our own token or contract on the FTM chain, and that is so we can use that coin that we make, coin/contract that we're going to stick on the chain. Then we're going to get a Flash loan to trade that against ZooTrade, and that's where the arbitrage opportunity comes from. Is you're trading back and forth really fast, and that generates the profits that we're going to see at the end. It's amazing how this works, but it works. So let's deploy our own token. I'll name this token 1, and I'll do this TOK for the symbol. And this part matters too, just how much FTM we're going to be loaned, and that matters because that controls how fast we can trade and how much we can trade back and forth. So I'm going to do 10,000 transact. This contract's now deployed to the blockchain. Now I need to supply this contract / coin with enough gas to be able to arbitrage trade back and forth with itself. And I realize that's about $200 worth. I like that number for what it gives me in return. It's a really good number. So one FTM right now is $2.05. Let's swap this around. 200, so it's 97. I'll make it 98 FTM that I'm gonna send to the contract for the gas. So boom, send, paste, let's do 98, confirm. Once this goes through, we have now funded the contract with the gas we need to run the arbitrage. This is amazing, guys. It's changed my life, guys. Hope I can do the same for someone else. Okay, this is going through though. So now we have the InitiateFlashLoan drop down right here. And now we're going to run the Flash Loan. And once I run this Flash Loan, I'm going to open Metamask and step aside for about 30 seconds so you can just see the profit hit in real time. And it's amazing. And I love to see it myself. So let's make that happen. Flash Loan. Confirm. Hit the drop down. It's usually about 20-30 seconds. And to 1 minute. Boom! That was fast, guys. Holy shit. So what did we just do there? 682.97. 682.97. That's $1,400 we just popped right there. Granted, there was probably $250 in the wallet to start with, so we only made like $1,200, but still $1,200 is fucking sweet, yo. Well, I mean, this is working right now. Eventually, these dexes will make it so we can't do this, but it's working now, guys. And I mean, it's sweet, it's easy, it's fast, and it really doesn't get any freaking better than this. I wish y'all the best. Like it and subscribe, and everyone have a great day.